In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable one-handed mode on the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. First step is to open the Settings app, then scroll and select Advanced Features. From here, tap on one-handed mode, and then to enable it, just tap on the toggle at the top. Then at the bottom, you should see two ways in which you can choose to enter one-handed mode. You can choose a gesture, or you can choose a double tap on the home screen button. So for example, say you've selected the gesture, then to enter one-handed mode, all you'll have to do is swipe down like this at the bottom of your screen on top of your home screen button. To exit one-handed mode, swipe down at the same place, and you'll be brought out of one-handed mode. If, however, you've chosen a button, then double tap on the same home screen button like that, and you'll be entered into one-handed mode. You also have the option of switching it from side to side. So you should see an arrow button. So tap on that arrow and the screen will move to that specific side. So say for example, I've tapped on this one, it will move the screen to the left side. And if you've tapped on this one, it will move the screen to the right side. Again, to exit when you've selected button, double tap on the home screen and you'll be exited out of one-handed mode. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.